Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about if statement in your Python. So if statement is a code like which we will write with the if condition. If it's true, it will go into the body and execute the program and give the answer. Similarly, like if it fails and if the condition is not true, it will go into the elif. So that will check like whether the condition is true. Then if that is true, it will go into the body and execute and give the answer. But like it will be like we can have multiple elif in our if conditions, and if conditions and the elif condition doesn't match, so that will be it will go out of this loop and execute the program, and whatever will be the answer that will give. So we can have multiple condition in if, and if all the condition doesn't match, then it will go all condition are false, it go to the body and show the answer. So now let's see and create this program in our Jupyter notebook. So like this is our Jupyter notebook here. So first of all I will create a print statement here. Print, I will give any number. So we will put some number here. So I will create a variable here a, and I will give integer, and I will input, and this statement is for taking input from the user, and I will type enter any number. So here we will put some number, and now I will execute if program. If I will say a is greater than, or I will say 90, so it will print something. So I have to just close this, and then I will say you have to print something. Print you get a grade. And now I will just run this program. So now any number, I will put number like 91. So now it will give you got an A grade. But suppose like if I will put some number like if it's 34, and then I will put it, so it will give 34 there also, because but this number, enter any number 34, and it will give some answer. Like it will not print the answer because we are not able to give the condition for this number. Like if I will give 45, so it is out of the loop. So now for that we can give another condition, which is your else, and in else we will print you got less than 90. So now I will just run this program and put some number like 45, so it will say you got less than 90. So this is the way we can use an else statement. Suppose like I have to prepare a grading number in this if statement. So what we can do, I will go there and type else, and here I will put some conditions elif. So here we have to put for multiple condition, I have to put elif a is greater than, I will say 70. So what we can execute here, so I will just copy this and paste it here, and here I will say we will get B grade. Then I will copy this and put it down, and here I will say like 50, and here I will give C grade, and then I will give another one condition. Like I will just copy this and give one more condition, and here I will say like somewhere around 35, and say like 40 will be the marks I will put, and I will say you got a 3D grade. Now if I will run this program, so now if I will run this program, like if I will run, so it will ask number. If I will put 34, so it will say you got less than, or either we can write you are fail. We have to write here fail, and then we will run this program. So like if I will put 34, it will say you are fail. If we will run this program again, now like whatever program we have made, so now like if I will run it again and put here like 45, so it will got you D grade. So elif statement will run inside if statement, where we can give multiple conditions, and if all the conditions will not match, it will give the else condition where we have given the fields. So this way we can use the if statement and create a program. Here we have taken an input from the user by creating input statement here, and then we can create such program. Thank you.